Welcome. My name is Ishar, and I'll be guiding you through a meditation on cultivating and spreading joy. So take a moment and find a comfortable seat. And start to feel grounded by feeling the connection to the earth. You may choose to focus on the soles of your feet pressed against the ground, or your sit bones pressed against your cushion. As you find stability, start to pay attention to your breaths. Notice your calm inhales and notice your calm exhales. As we're in the beginning of this meditation, if you notice any thoughts start to naturally arise, simply just notice them and redirect your focus back to your breath. As you continue to notice your inhales and exhales, notice how easeful and joyous this process of watching the breath is. To further intensify this feeling of calmness and joy, begin to bring a slight smile to your lips. And notice that as you start to smile, there is a feeling of relaxation and joy in the present moment. Start to feel into this sensation of joy. Begin to observe that when you smile, this feeling of joy starts to spread in your body. Start to pay attention to where this feeling spreads in your body. And by doing so, you may notice these feelings of joy and contentment start to increase in its intensity. Begin to notice that in this present moment, you have everything that you need. There is nothing to do or achieve. Simply, you can just smile and watch your breath and find contentment in the present moment. And as these feelings of joy start to increase, imagine sending these sensations of joy out to a close loved one. So, in your mind's eye, start to picture a close loved one. This could be a close family member or even a pet. And imagine them experiencing the same kind of joy that you're experiencing in the present moment. Earnestly wish that they could be experiencing this level of joy. And begin to wish that your close loved one is free from any kind of suffering and is able to experience this pure simplicity of joy. One way to intensify this is to put on a smile if you've forgotten to do so. And as you smile, start to once again bring forth the close loved one in your mind and earnestly wish for their happiness and joy. And then start to spread this joy even wider, encompassing different people that you don't know too well. Can you apply the same level of joy that you would a close family member or friend and loved one, or even a pet, to people that you've never met before? So start to visualize people that you don't know too well on a personal level, and really start to picture their faces. And see them experiencing the same kind of joy that you're experiencing in the present moment. If you find your mind has started to wander, gently give yourself a slight smile and offer yourself compassion. And once again, just redirect your focus back to the breath, recentering and feeling the ease and joy in your body. And once you feel this source of joy once again, begin to spread this out to different people in your life, encompassing both close loved ones and also people that you don't know too well, spreading the joy for everyone. And now begin to return your focus back to yourself and notice how much stronger these feelings of joy and contentment have gotten. Start to locate this feeling of joy in your body, resting in it and enjoying it. In this moment, you are currently experiencing something very profound. The more that you have sent out the feelings of joy and happiness out to others, the more it has increased within yourself. And start to recognize that this joy that you have generated all starts within you. And as you go about your day, just know that you can always access this source of joy. This joy does not require any kind of acquisition or achievement. This joy is simple and easy to access. And this joy is part of all of us. Namaste.